Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle I will do is a tectonic with 4 stars, and in Dutch they call it cijferblok. And these puzzles in additional of Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, July the 25th, 2022. I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the cijferblok. Yes. In English, they call it tectonic. Well, let me position the camera. Yeah, this is correct. Yeah, okay. And this 4 stars tectonic will be number 4909. 4909. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 18. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes here. How about the dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. Nope. Dual box. I see only a triple box here. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes I do not know. So let me mark those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box. This box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Triple box. Only one triple box? Yes. Quadra box. Do we have quadra boxes here? Let me scan. Quadra box. No quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have the T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. Okay, only one T shape. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. Well. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? I believe no. Only one. Well. Only one. Well, then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And we have only one again. And I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3. Yeah, only 3. Out of 6. Yes, maximum are 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, you need to recognize those shapes. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started with filling those numbers. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So not a solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 in this area supposed to be here. I've marked this box with 4 or 5. Now we have a 4 there. So this box should be a 5. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 5. But we see here in this area, this box can be a 2, and that box can also not be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this area should be here or there. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 5 and is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 1, it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then let me see. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. And now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 2. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 1. Let me mark those 4 and the 1, 4 and the 1. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 4. No, 4 we have here. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Then. Yeah, I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because if I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there. So it's not a solution to place a 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 2 and that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3. That box should be a 5. Alright. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Yeah. Still thinking. 1, 2, 1, 1. Well, this box cannot be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. And that box can also not be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 1. So we have a 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We already have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So we saw a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those. 2 and a 3. We have here 1 and the 4. We already have a 1 there. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Let me think. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Yeah. Let me think. 4, 5. 4 and a 5. We already have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes in there. Overlooked. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4. I should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. Well, I cannot place a 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. These two boxes can be 3. So that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Well, these two boxes can be a 3 and those two boxes can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I fill a 3 here in one of those two boxes, I cannot place any 3 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 3, those two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes can be a 5, we have a double 5 there. And that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in the squash area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. And that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then this box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. 3 and a 5. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, told you it's not a hard one. So is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Cypher block, aka Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.